Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro. In this video is an unboxing and give you a first look, and that's it, right? I will do a very detailed review tomorrow. Let's get started. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe because I always do this kind of genuine, no pre-rated scripted review video, no? Not paid, of course. So, totally honest, let's get started. White color, brand new, right out of the box. Okay, we also have another color. Alright. Ooh. 多谢多谢。Xiaomi HyperOS. Walk you through all the gestures, which I should totally skip, but accidentally. Okay, I'm done. Okay, Xiaomi HyperOS setup complete. Okay, we'll do a very detailed review tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Whoa! So basically, it looks like it exactly like the MIUI, right? But maybe some small changes. I don't know. So my device, obviously have to update. These are all the specs for it. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's like I've seen some reviews. There's like 2 million Antutu score. That's crazy. Okay. Anyway, we'll get to that tomorrow. So right now here, so the speaker here, the middle frame looks like iPhone, right? Alright. Move to the back. We have the gigantic camera module. Alright. Wow, let's check out the camera a little bit. Vibrant. Seems fast. Alright, let's. Okay. Okay. You see, Xiaomi 14 like release date. Lots of people there. Okay, let's check some. Camera photos. Whoa. Fuck, this is really good, right? Wow. Let's check some of the selfies. Wow, I like the color. Okay, anyway, that is my first hands-on. Alright, and now let me show you some of the other colors for the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Xiaomi 14 Pro has 3 colors, green and white, which I just showed to you. Black one. I think I like the white one most. But yeah, these are all the colors. Now let me check out the Xiaomi 14. Alright, we have the Xiaomi 14 vanilla version here. As you can see, it's much smaller in size. And also this pink color is only limited to Xiaomi 14. So Xiaomi 14 has 4 colors. In addition to the 3 I just showed to you, which is exactly the same as the Xiaomi 14 Pro. And the Xiaomi 14 has this pink color. Okay, small, maybe perfect for girls, right? Or for those who has smaller hands. Okay, that's it.